This video will show you how to install your new CO detector using step-by-step instructions. If you need help with any part of this installation, simply call TELUS Smart Home Technical Support at 1-855-255-8828. In addition to the included batteries, screws, and drywall anchors, you'll also need a drill with a 2mm bit and a hammer. And you may also need a ladder or something secure to stand on. First, install the battery. Remove the detector from the base and insert the battery, or pull the battery tab if there is one. The CO sensor should be installed inside any bedroom that contains a fuel-burning appliance, anywhere that's within 10 feet of a sleeping area. For ceiling mounted, ensure it's at least 12 inches or 30 centimeters away from the nearest wall. For wall mounted, it should be no more than 6 inches or 15 centimeters from the ceiling and above the light switch. Don't install it directly above or within 5 feet or 1.5 meters of a sink or cooking appliance. Keep it away from doors and windows with drafts. Don't install it any place where airflow could be obstructed by furniture or dust collection, and it won't work if you install it outside. To install the sensor, place the mounting base on your desired ceiling or wall space so you can make markings for where you'll drill your holes. Using a secure step stool or ladder and safety gear, begin to drill your holes in the spots you marked. Hammer in your drywall anchors and then attach the mounting base using the screws provided. Then fit the detector snugly on the base by lining up the hole on the detector with the marking on the base plate. And your installation is complete.